Dear students, I am back with my today's lecture. In the previous class, I discussed about the first part of the chapter number 3, section number 1, that is crops and crop varieties tolerant to adverse weather. Today, I am going to discuss about the rest part of this chapter. First of all, we have to consider the main study point of this chapter. At the end of this lecture, we will be able to describe the effect of salinity on crop production, to know about salinity tolerant crop variety and to know about flood tolerant crops. So, these are the main study points of this lecture. Now, we know that salinity is one of the most important natural calamity in Bangladesh. Water uptake by crop plants from saline soil becomes very much problematic. So, rice is the principal crop in saline prone areas. Saline prone areas are in the southern coastal region such as Cox's Bazar, Saint Martin, Chittagong, etc. Rice is the principal crop, so we have to consider at first rice varieties to tolerate salinity. These are the rice varieties. See, Bridhan 40, Bridhan 41, Bridhan 47 and Binadhan 8. I can again say Bridhan 40, Bridhan 41, Bridhan 47, Binadhan 8. Here, this term is used for Bangladesh Rice Research Institute, which is discussed in the previous class most probably. This institute, Bangladesh Rice Research Institute, is situated in Jadipur, Gazipur. Here, two rice varieties are very much important for your question and salinity tolerance. Bridhan 47 and Binadhan 8. Bridhan 47 released in 2006 and Binadhan 8 released in 2010. Binadhan 8. This was developed in Bangladesh Institute of Nuclear Agriculture, that is BINA. Bangladesh Institute of Nuclear Agriculture. I can again say Bangladesh Institute of Nuclear Agriculture, that is BINA, which is situated in Mymensingh. Binadhan 8. The speciality of this variety is this variety has ability to tolerate various diseases and insects. This variety has ability to tolerate various diseases and insects. So, there are other varieties, that is Bari Alu 22. Bari Alu 22. Bari means Bangladesh Agriculture Research Institute, that is situated in Jadipur, Gazipur. Bari Alu 22 is for potato variety. Bari Shorisha 10 is for mustard variety and Ishwardi 39 is for sugarcane variety. These varieties are also important for salinity tolerant crops. So, salinity tolerant crops are Bridhan 40, Bridhan 41, Bridhan 47, Binadhan 8, Bari Alu 22, Bari Shorisha 10, Ishwardi 39. So, these are the very much important varieties for salinity. Now, I am going to tell about flood or submergence crops. Flood or submergence crop. We know that flood is one of the most important natural calamity in Bangladesh. In our country, most of the crops other than aquatic crops cannot be grown underwater. So, we have to consider flood tolerant crops. Rice is the main crop in flood prone areas. Rice is the main crop in flood prone areas. So, we have to consider at first rice varieties. These are the varieties. Bridhan 51, Bridhan 52, Bridhan 51, Bridhan 52. These two varieties are very much important for rice variety. That is flood tolerant crop. Which are the varieties of flood tolerant crop? That is, you can write Bridhan 51 and Bridhan 52. These are the other varieties. See, these are the other varieties, that is Ishwardi 32, Ishwardi 38, Ishwardi 32, Ishwardi 38. Ishwardi means 32 is for sugarcane. These are the Canap variety, that is BJRI Canap 3. named Bot Canaf. BJRI means Bangladesh Jute Research Institute, which is situated in Dhaka. Canaf. Canaf is like jute. So, name Bot Canaf, that is the leaf of Canaf variety is like bot leaf. So, this is the Canaf variety. From the lecture, what can we see? We see that these are the main study point. These are the main study point. That is the effect of salinity on crop production, salinity tolerant crop variety and flood tolerant crop varieties. Next, salinity tolerant crops. I said the salinity tolerant crops. Salinity is one of the most important natural calamity in Bangladesh. In water uptake by crop plants cannot be grown underwater stagnancy. So, most of the crop plants cannot tolerate water stagnancy. Rice is the principal crop. These are the rice varieties: Bidhan 40, Bidhan 41, Bidhan 47, Binadhan 8. Binadhan 8 has ability to increase to tolerate various diseases and insects. These are the other varieties. Bari Alu 22 is for potato. Bari Chorisha 10 is for mustard. Ishordi 39 is for sugarcane. Then we said flood and submergence tolerant crops. Rice is the main crop in flood prone areas. Flood is also the most of the natural calamity in Bangladesh. In our country, rice varieties are Bridhan 51 and Bridhan 52, that is developed by scientists of Bangladesh Rice Research Institute. Bridhan 51 and Bridhan 52. These are the other varieties, that is Ishordi 32, Ishordi 38. Ishordi is for sugarcane, and these are the Canaf variety, that is BJRI Canaf tree named Bot Canaf, which is like bot leaf. So, this is all about today's lecture. Thanks for being with me.